I can have my flashlight.
That's fucking cool. Oh. Back there, young.
My flashlight was in my mouth.
Saw that.
Say what?
Bro, look at that shit. Look at that pillar. Oh. Hold up. Come back here.
Is that concrete?
This is man-made shit right here. Yeah, somebody blocked this off. Right? That's what that looks like. Looks like old fucking
Old ass concrete.
old
What is
style
that?
concrete.
Bro, look how far he is back there.
Yeah, I can't even see it. Damn, man. Oh, let me put my fucking weight in my pocket. God damn. Hold up. Hold up. God damn. There's some more of that concrete. Right. Yeah. What is all that white shit in there? I don't know. Oh, that's that concrete shit that me and Creed were seeing back there. Oh, no, that shit up here. What do you think? An outline? No, I think it's some sort of fucking rodent. Big rodent.
Fuck a mouse.
I don't know. Well, in there. The dude is just don't keep running. I'm gonna keep following this water. Maybe. I'm not going in there.
What's back there? Small?
Yeah, it gets way fucking small. I think this is the inlet right here. You know what I mean? I think this is the inlet.
Yeah.
Because it looks completely changed direction or something.
Bro, I ain't cold no more.
It's fucking hot in here. You ready to head back? That's a cool fucking cave.
Dude, I got it all on camera too.
Huh?
You go back there?
I think it's just gonna keep getting smaller. It's like it keeps going really fast. I mean, it looks like it keeps getting smaller.
Yeah. There's one of them fucking cray daddies.
Where?
Yeah, I was gonna say,
where?
it opens up again.
Does it?
Yeah.
You wanna go back there?
Up to you.
What time is it?
Check it out.
4:22. Been here for 2 hours. Right?
Something like that.
When did we sign in? What time is it? 2:30 something?
I don't know.
Let's go back there.
Seeing fucking artifacts or anything?
What?
Coming back. Alright.
This is a dope cave. Oh, look right there, Will.
Water's just been chilling here.
Look. There's you a hole.
Yeah, I was seeing the other side of this. Pretty cold.
Hit that glory hole, Trevor.
Huh?
Crawl in there.
Fuck no. It didn't struck like that. I thought it was just all I've seen that was that.
Whoa.
Gym. Everything.
Bro, you don't talk about hard. I'm holding this bitch in my mouth.
Yeah. Fucking got all four
Yeah.
thumbs on rocks.
Small fucker.
Let's go. I'm fucking running out of air.
Should have brought a can of oxygen.
How far on that dude? Oh, he said you want to take.
My legs feel fucking fatigued. No, I'm not getting all my hair.
Let me go over there. You can just play something.
I mean, welding's pretty similar.
Yeah.
Crawling around.
I don't fucking know.
Think it's safe to drink some of this cave water?
No, I wouldn't. It probably would be perfectly good for it. I just don't know what's in your shit. It's supposed to be right next to that net. Maybe fucking water.
God damn, I can't breathe because my fucking flashlight. I gotta breathe through my clogged nose. This is a fucking nightmare.
You want to trade me?
Mm-mm.
I'll hold your flashlight.
Mm-mm.
I don't need both hands.
Yeah, I'm doing alright.
No, this is so hard.
Fuck, boy.
Hell yeah.
How could be a cave dweller so fucking easy?
There's some more of that sediment. Kept crawling out on your way to work in the morning.
How the fuck?
It's like covered in stone.
How did we get through here?
It smells so earthy.
Did we get our feet wet right here?
Yes.
We did?
You tipped up this. Stay close to this wall.
Oh yeah, I see that. Never mind. I see it. Holy shit, look at that.
It's cool. Sediment.
Yeah, look at this right here.
Yeah.
That's that same too. Where are you going to find it? It looks like it's all fucking. Here's my place.
Go.
Oh, I know this fucking hole.
Why?
Breathe. Whoa. You took the rock with that hard. Ow! Fuck! I cracked my fucking skull on the roof.
Oh, fuck.
Badass. Look. Fucking hard.
I know, I'm bleeding on my fingertips.